What if I told you that very soon you won't need apps anymore? No Uber, no Amazon app, no editing software. Just one AI that does everything for you. This is not the future. This is happening right now. Welcome to AI Techverse, where we decode AI before it controls the world. What are AI agents? AI agents are not chatbots. They are digital workers. They can plan tasks, make decisions, execute actions, and work without supervision. You give one command and the AI does the rest. That's why Silicon Valley is betting everything on AI agents. Why apps are disappearing. Apps need humans. AI don't. Instead of opening 10 apps, you talk to one AI. Big tech already knows this. OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, Apple. The app era is ending. The AI agent era has begun. Real USA examples. In the US right now, companies use AI agents as employees. Startups replaced full teams. AI works 24/7, zero salary, zero mistakes. One AI agent can replace multiple roles. This is not hype. This is business reality. Will AI take jobs? AI won't replace humans. Humans who don't use AI will be replaced. Future job titles: AI operator, AI automation expert, AI manager. Control AI or become irrelevant. How you can win. With AI agents, you can automate YouTube channels, run online businesses, dominate freelancing, build passive income. One smart person with AI beats a whole company without it. The future is not coming, it's already here. Subscribe to AI Techverse and stay ahead of the AI revolution.